So I just got my new shorts in, and there are some samples in there too. So I thought I'd just unbox all that on camera, show y'all what I've been working on. These are 3 boxes, but there's like 5 of them. Decorated for Christmas. This is the Shorts Archive headquarters in the living room. Now we got 2 more boxes. I've been living in my hometown for the last couple months. It's kind of fire out here. It's like, there's just nothing going on. So I can focus on this stuff. And then like, the most fun thing to look forward to is the gym. So, I kind of like it that way. And the rent's not bad either. I don't really see like a reason to move somewhere yet. Yeah, 5 out of 5. This is the one. Our samples are in here. So this shipment was so heavy. It cost a ton to ship this thing out here. Alright, so samples are right on top. So I guess I'll just get right into this. So I'm working on like remaking the foundation shorts, which are the like do everything short. And it's honestly the hardest one because if you do everything in them, then you can't leave anything out, I guess. Or you have to leave everything out. So it's just kind of like a hard design to figure out. But the number one thing I wanted to do is change the fabric. So these are like almost exactly the same as the foundation shorts. I guess the drawstring short on these, it's not supposed to be. It's like this textured polyester material that's super lightweight, but also feels fairly structured. Like, I just want a material that really doesn't hold you back in any way. And the problem with the last one was the wax cotton was like really nice, but I had a couple people who sent it to me and it had just like catastrophically failed. I had one guy who like pulled the drawstring and like the whole waistband exploded, and another one that like the whole leg was like ripped up, but it wasn't even in the seam. It was just like the fabric itself split. So I wanted to like play around with some new stuff. This is like the original sizing, and then I made like a different size like fit variant. So these fit like a lot wider at the bottom and more slim toward the hips. I don't know, I'm gonna be trying these on and figuring out what I like, but foundation 2 is in development. These samples look pretty good from first looks. I guess I'll just move on straight to the actual shorts. These are what I'm calling the lounge shorts. They are like a pair of reversible sweat shorts. When you start a business that sells like only men's shorts, there's kind of a glaring problem with it where in the winter no one wears shorts. I was trying to create a product that people would be interested in the winter, and this is kind of what I came up with. I wanted it to be novel at the same time though, because I feel like it just needs something a little extra to get people to be interested in it at the wrong season. These are called the lounge shorts. They're made of a 10-ounce French terry cotton that has been washed to give it like this worn in, faded look. They have like exposed seams on the sides, signature Shorts Archive side seam and welt pockets, and then contrast waistband. And what's crazy about these is they're completely reversible. So they're lined with waffle cotton. They have fatigue pockets and patch pockets on the back with this like contrast stitching, so you can really see everything on this waffle side. I was gonna make some like sweat shorts that were lined with waffle cotton. And I was like looking at the hoodies and stuff that are lined with waffle cotton, and I realized the construction is basically like you have to make a whole nother pair of shorts that like go inside. That just got me thinking. They were called the lounge shorts with like the lazy boy artwork that was like convertible. So it just like kind of light bulbed in my head like you could just put like a whole nother side on the shorts. I don't have a release date on these yet, but they're in. So like whenever y'all want them, just let me know. I don't want to overload you with like releases, but yeah, they're ready to go whenever y'all are. I think these are super cool. These are definitely like our longest and heaviest pair of shorts we've ever put out. Yeah, keep an eye out for those. But then I have another sample. Where did I put it? Here it is. Y'all have been like harassing me about these. These are the boxing shorts. They're like kind of like a Frankenstein short because I took the foundation shorts and just threw like a boxing waistband on there. I stole all the measurements off the Rick Owens Moody boxing shorts, so like the waistband's identical. Wait, let me go get those and I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but the stitching on the sides is like spaced exactly the same on both pairs. And then of course it has like the fabric panel in the middle, and then like the width is exactly the same. I haven't been able to like finish them because usually when I get a sample in, I'll like wear it around and stuff, but these ones are too short for me. I'm trying to figure out like what material and stuff to do with them, but like without being able to wear them, it's really hard. So these are kind of just like in limbo right now, but they're gonna happen. They're currently made out of the same material as the cargo shorts, which is like the 60-40 cotton nylon, but I think I want something a little like less nylon feeling for these ones, but I don't know. I was actually, wait, let me go get that one. I was actually looking at this sample from the, these are like the original cargo shorts sample, and they're made of a 62-38 cotton nylon, which is slightly more cotton. I kind of like the hand feel on these. So when I remake the cargos, I might make them, they'd be a little bit softer. I don't know what y'all think about that, but you probably wouldn't be able to notice if I didn't tell you, honestly. I've been thinking about like redoing the cargos, like not completely redoing them, but like reproducing them and then adding a couple things, because it seems like everyone wanted a drawstring on them. I didn't really think that was necessary, but I think once you got them, you probably got that like the waistband was super secure. I'd probably just add a drawstring inside, because why not? Couldn't hurt. And then maybe like extend the flaps on the pockets a little bit. I don't know, I just have a few like minor things I'm gonna change, and then of course like the colors as well. I changed to UPS because USPS was losing all the packages. And then they like I don't know if you've ever tried to file a claim with them, but you can show them overwhelming evidence that they did lose your package, and they'll just be like, no, we didn't. So